Today I'm checking out these super cool wireless trailer light kits, and wireless, I mean, that's awesome. So I have a tow dolly and I have some tow lights that you have to plug in to your vehicle and run them basically over the car and then magnetically stick those to the vehicle somewhere. And you know, they work good. That's fine. The problem I always have is I'm always worried about that wire that has to go from the front to the back, because one, it needs to be long, right? So that way it will fit multiple different types of vehicles. And I'm always worried about it falling off, because my first set of wired tow lights that I had, second or third time I used them, they came unhooked from where I had them, hit the ground, and just ripped the wires right out of them. So I was not happy with the fact that that happened. I had to get another pair, so I have them, but now I want to try out these wireless ones. I've heard these are really awesome. I want to try them for myself, so we are going to test that out. Now, I was sent this at no cost, so I can do this review, but I'm going to go ahead, take these things out of the box, let you look at them, and then we're going to go test these out and see how well wireless actually does. So this is what you see as soon as you open the package. This is going to put them all back together. I can throw it under the seat, take them out. I'll have them when I need them. Very simple to use. So they do come with a 7-way. Then you've also got a charger and a charger cable, because that's how you're going to keep them charged. This right here is going to run off your vehicle, the lights, you know, so that's what's going to send this wireless signal out. But these will have to be charged. So it's nice to see these. Other cool thing about this that I really like, first of all, it's got a rubberized magnet. Definitely cool. Very happy that they did it this way. Here is your charge port. Here is your power button. Everything you need right here. So as long as these things function properly, I'm going to be extremely happy with it. This one comes out too. Looks like it comes with a little sticker if you want to put that on. But other side, same thing. Big suction cup, rubber coated magnets. This one's even got this little light here. Does this one have that? No. So this one doesn't. Oh, it does have it. So there you go. They both have that light. And I'm assuming that is so when you have them on there, it can shine, you know, paper plate or whatever you have, towing permit, anything like that you have. Lift this up. Is there anything underneath? No, just foam to protect them. That's good. So that's everything that comes in the package itself. Like I said, I really like the fact that these will go back in. And then these are meant to hold your chargers. Wow, very cool. And of course, it's got the manual here to show you, you know, everything you need to know about how to make these work. All right, so enough talking about these things. Let's go test them out. All right, so I'm outside now. My truck's cranked up and I have the transmitter plugged in to my 7-way outlet here in the back of the truck. So this should be getting power from the truck and sending a signal as soon as I tell it to. Then since I don't have my tow dolly or anything hooked up right now, I went ahead and put these magnets on our garage door so I can see them from behind me. Now you got to remember, these would be flipped the other direction if they were on the back of a vehicle. But this is basically going to be here to show me how fast and how well these transmit, you know, the braking and the turning signals. So it says to turn these things on, you just press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. You'll see that plate light come on. So now that that is lit up, it's supposed to take a few seconds and it pairs up with the transmitter and they should be ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and just stick that one there. And these, even without the suction cup part, I mean, these things are really sticking on there well, actually way better than the wired ones I have. And again, if you have a smooth roof, this is textured, so these suction cups aren't really going to do a lot. But if you had a nice smooth roof, it'd be easy to push that on there and maybe put just a little bit of moisture under there, and it would probably suck to the roof of a car or the trunk of a car really well. So now I'm going to come do the same thing here, and I'm going to look for the power button, which is right here. This is the charging port. So I'm going to push that, hold it for 3 seconds, and the light is now on. Again, put it on the garage door there, and we're going to test these things out. I'm going to now go put my flashers on, which should trigger the lights blinking. So I turned my running lights on and these came on with no problem. As you can see here, running lights on my truck are on. The running lights here are on. I'm gonna go put my flashers on so we can see if they're gonna start blinking. And check that out. So this basically is testing, not only is it testing the flashers, but it's testing both blinkers and both running lights. So when you have your flashers on, it's like having your blinkers on both sides, and it's also like pressing your brake and letting off. So it's testing all of those functions, which is working great here. And as you can see here, I have these on. So the only concern that I was gonna have was there gonna be much of a delay, and I don't see really any delay there. A little bit, maybe. Wow. Yeah, these are gonna work great. This is exactly what I needed. Now, I don't have to worry about that cord. All right, so I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.